Hi, this is Scott with Airmax, here to talk about Airmax KnockDown Defense. Excessive algae and aquatic weeds are not just an unsightly nuisance, they can choke the life out of your delicate pond ecosystem. Airmax KnockDown Defense is a fast-acting combination treatment ideal for controlling both algae and submerged aquatic weeds in ponds and lakes. This broad-spectrum treatment is one of the most cost-effective solutions to treating nuisance floating weeds like watermeal and duckweed. KnockDown Defense works on contact, making it easy to target or spot treat. Unlike most contact products on the market, KnockDown Defense offers longer-lasting control. KnockDown is formulated to be highly effective on even the toughest invasive weeds, such as duckweed, watermeal, watermilfoil, floating algae, fanwort, hydrilla, and more. KnockDown Defense is effective in ponds and lakes, as well as slow-moving waters such as bayous, canals, drainage ditches, reservoirs, and marshes. For best results, apply treatment when weeds are actively growing. For surface application, use 6 to 12 ounces of KnockDown Defense per acre. Before using KnockDown Defense, always read the product label for appropriate protective equipment, application rates, and water use restrictions. For best results, add Treatment Booster Plus. Treatment Booster Plus is a surfactant that enhances the effectiveness of treatments by helping the application penetrate weed foliage. Add 2 fluid ounces of Treatment Booster Plus to treatment solution. Agitate the treatment solution in a tank sprayer to ensure a proper mixture. Adjust your spray nozzle and pump up your sprayer just enough to produce a coarse spray. To minimize drift and bounce back of the spray, do not overpressurize the sprayer. KnockDown Defense is very versatile and breaks down quickly in the water, resulting in no clogs in your sprayers or accumulation in the sediment. When treating floating plants and algae, evenly spray rain-sized droplets over the treatment area. Airmax KnockDown Defense is a cost-effective solution that can help you eliminate even the toughest invasive weeds and algae in as little as 3 days. For more information, contact your local dealer or visit us online at airmaxeco.com.